In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a photo to your resume using Canva. First, go ahead and open Canva. You can start a new design by selecting resume from the templates or open an existing resume you've been working on. Now go to search. Now to add your photo, simply tap on photo and simply click on edit. Click on delete image and tap in it again. Now tap on upload. Here you can choose on upload files, pictures. Now tap on it and you can simply choose this picture like this, like this. And that is how you can simply add a photo to your Canva in your resume.